Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to check iOS version on this device. So to check the currently iOS version, you should open first the settings and then tap here to the general option. Here you could click to about section and you'll see here the iOS version, and in my case this is iOS 17.0. If you wanna just check if you get some new updates, go back and here you'll see the software update. And after that you'll see, for example, that now in my case I get the new update, so I could update my iOS version. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.